एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अगर आप मुझे पर्सनली लाइक करते हो तो यू कैन फॉलो मी एंड फेसबुक एंड इंस्टा। सारी आईडी स्क्रीन पे शो हो रहे और मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी डाल दूंगी। तो आज का वीडियो है कैसे मैंने ये लुक अचीव किया है। बेसिकली मैंने ये लुक बनाया है अष्टमी के दिन के सुबह के लिए। दुर्गा पूजा आ रहा है तो मैं एक के बाद एक लुक शेयर करूंगी। आपको अगर अच्छा लगे कोई भी लुक, आप दुर्गा पूजा में ट्राई कीजिएगा। आज का जो ये मेरा लुक है वो इंस्पायर्ड है सनसेट लुक से, तो इसलिए आप ऑरेंज, पिंक, रेड सबका कॉम्बिनेशन देख पा रहे हो। तो आज ये वाला लुक मैं क्रिएट करके दिखाऊंगी। ऐसे ही बहुत सारे लुक मैं क्रिएट करते जाऊंगी। पूजा आने तक आप कोई भी लुक ट्राई कर सकते हो आप पूजा में। और मुझे टैग करना मत भूलना अगर आप कोई भी मेरा ये लुक ट्राई करोगे। अगर आपको अच्छा लगेगा तो प्लीज लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर देना मेरे चैनल को, और बेल आइकन को प्लीज हिट कर देना कि ऐसे एक्साइटिंग वीडियोस आपके पास आते रहे और आपको ऐसे ही मेकअप वाला लुक मिलता रहे। तो ज्यादा बकबक ना करके देख लेते हैं मैंने कैसे इसको क्रिएट किया है। लेट्स स्टार्ट।
I have cleaned my face. Now I'm going to use Good Vibes Rosy Facial Oil, and I'm massaging my face till it absorbs properly. Now I am using Oriflame Optimal Even Out Day Cream to lock the facial oil and for better moisturization before makeup. Now I am using Lotus Herbal Sunscreen SPF 50 with UV protection. Use the lip balm for moisturizing my lips. Now my face is ready for makeup. Now I am using Inside Makeup Essential 3-in-1 Primer. It covers all the open pores and wrinkles and fine lines. The face is ready for makeup. So I'm going to start from eye makeup. So I'm taking the same primer for eyes. And first I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now I'm using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. My shade is brunette, do it better. And it comes with a spoolie also. Now I'm going to use Maybelline New York gel eyeliner and a eyebrow brush to define my eyebrows. With a small stroke I am defining my eyebrows now, and same I'll do for the other one. For eye makeup I'm going to use a concealer. Here I'm using Fit Me concealer with shade Honey. Using a blending brush I'm blending the concealer with the small strokes. For more proper result, here I am using a Wet Beauty blender from Pune store. Now using a flat blending brush, I am blending the concealer above my eyebrows to cancel out all the mistakes and defining it properly. Done with concealer, now I am going to use Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Using this orange shade first as a dark transition shade and blending it with a blending brush and blend it outwards with small strokes, and I will do same for the another eye. Now I'm going to use the yellow shade next to the orange and blend it inwards with another blending brush, and I will do the same for the other eye. I will provide all the links of the products in description box also. Now I'm done with the blending. Now I'm using the same concealer in the inner corners of my eyes because I'm going to put some shimmer shades. Using concealer is better than glue. Now I'm using a golden shimmer shade, and with my finger I'm putting the shimmer in my eyelid to pop the color, and with the same blending brush I'm just blending the corner. Now you can see how it turns out. Now I am using a pointed eyeshadow brush and taking the same color for lower lash line. Now I am using the same orange shade for defining the lower lash line again, and the eyeshadow part is done. Using the same Maybelline gel eyeliner, I am smudging out the corner of my lower waterline. Now I am drawing a winged eyeliner with Maybelline eyeliner and fill it with same eyeliner gel. For more intense look, same I will do for the another eye. And again I'm going to use Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I will go for 2-3 coats. And same thing I'm doing for the lower eyelashes, and I am using Faces Canada Kajal for upper waterline. Now I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter for inner corner of my eyes. It will give an effect of bigger eye, and also using it in brow bone for both of the eyes. And my eye look is complete. Now we will go for the face. And here I am using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation shade 128. With the help of a blending brush, I am going to blend it all over my face. Use a small stroke to blend it properly. And again I am using a wet beauty blender for more proper blending. And you can see I have blended properly. And now I am going to use same concealer. I don't have much dark circle, but for highlighting purpose I am using this concealer. And leave the concealer for 3 to 5 minutes and then start blending. I am using the same blending brush for blending the concealer properly. Using the small strokes, blend the concealer properly. Now I am going to use Wet n Wild contouring palette. Here I am using the banana powder for setting the concealer. Wherever I use the concealer, I use this banana powder to set. And my shade is Dual Steel Lache. For contouring, I am using same contouring palette. I am using the dark color and I am drawing the lines. Contouring always adds shadows in our faces, so our face appears as structural and also looks slim. And you have to blend like this from your hairline. Otherwise, you will ended up looking like a skeleton. And never forget your nose because it will give you a sharp look. And the contouring is completed. Now I'm going to use a blush palette from In Color. And I'm going to use a blush brush. Using the third peach color for my cheek. Use the strokes upward when you are applying blush. And I'm using same blush in my nose for a natural tan look. This is the best part of makeup, the highlighting part. I am highlighting my cheekbones, nose with this Chotu small brush. And I got this brush with my blush palette and I feel it's very handy and comfortable while I am using these brushes for my highlighter. Now you can see the glow. This highlighter and blush is so pigmented. Now I am dusting off all the excess products and powders from my face with the powder brush. And now the time for lips. I'm using a lip liner from Miss Clary. Now I am using Nykaa Matte Toolless Liquid Lipstick shade Misty 10. After applying the lipstick, you have to wait for 10 to 15 seconds for dry out this lipstick. Now I am using 9 to 5 Matte Bullet Lipstick, giving an effect of fuller and fluffy lips. And the makeup look is completed and you can see how it turns out. If you like the look, just give a thumbs up and it's time to do hair and wear some jewelry.